Hello everyone, and welcome to English Daily Works. Today, we're spending the weekend on a van life adventure. We'll practice simple and useful English expressions that people use while traveling, relaxing outdoors, and enjoying nature. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural English will become. I encourage you to replay this lesson several times and practice speaking out loud. Are you ready? Let's get started.
I am packing my clothes. I am packing my clothes. I am packing some food. I am packing some food. I am loading the camper van. I am loading the camper van. I am driving the campground. I am driving to the campground. I am setting up my table. I am setting up my table. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. I am enjoying the view. I am enjoying the view. I am trying to catch a fish. I am trying to catch a fish. I am taking pictures. I am taking pictures. I am uploading my pictures. I am uploading my pictures. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. I am enjoying my coffee outside. I am enjoying my coffee outside. I am cooking instant noodles. I am cooking instant noodles. I'm eating noodles inside the van. I am eating noodles inside the van. I am enjoying the rain. I am enjoying the rain. I am sleeping in the camper van. I am sleeping in the camper van.